What's up, everybody? Alexandra here, and I hope you all are having a fabulous day so far today. I myself am feeling amazing because I finally got to leave my house, go to the mall, walk around. It was just so liberating. Now, only 30% of the stores were like actually opened up to where you could go inside of them because Ohio's kind of slowly opening things back up. But it was just nice to be out and just have like a little social interaction, a little mingling, you know what I mean? Now, of course, we still had to wear a face mask, but I feel like it's a small price to pay to just get out of the house at this point. And we never really knew what all we were taking for granted until it was completely taken from us. You know what I'm saying? All right, so for today's video, we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box and my Boxycharm premium box because a lot of you guys have been asking me whether or not I feel like it's worth it to upgrade and keep your base box, or if you should just keep the premium or base or vice versa. And since I do pay for both of my boxes, that way you guys can get like an actual overview of what paying customers get versus the PR people, because it's no secret by now, we all know the PR people do get better boxes. They're supposed to. They're PR. They sell the boxes. That is their job. So it only makes sense for them to get all the spoilers. But if you pay for your box, what are you actually going to get? We're about to find out right now. So let's start with my base box since I just received that in and I haven't unboxed it yet. Are you ready? Voila. Okay, let's see. Hang on a second. Is this my May box? Hang on a minute, you guys. Okay, so I was a little confused when I first opened this, and you guys are getting ready to see why, but I did just look at the tracking numbers and everything, and this is my May box. Now, there's no card inside, so I can't tell you guys what variation this is, but if you needed a good laugh, you just came to the right spot, let me tell you. All right, so the first product that we're gonna pull out here is the English Laundry number 7, and I have no idea what this is. I've never heard of it before, so let's just, it's a perfume. It looks like a travel size perfume, and let's, ew, like, do you guys see that? Like, can you see that on there? I don't like that. I'm just gonna spray it on the box. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but it also like doesn't smell like, I don't know. It's not my kind of thing. I don't know. Maybe my daughter will like it. I'm going to wash or wipe off the top really good. So the next product that we have in here is by Deborah Lippmann, and it looks like 2 fingernail polishes. Also not super full size. I think they look like 2 little mini fingernail polishes. So I guess like together, it makes a full size. I don't know. It says, can't stop the feeling. It says pink and then fire on the horizon. I've seen both of these, I want to say, on their Boxy pop-up, but not, I don't know, something that I would want in my box. Not that I don't like fingernail polishes. Speaking of that, look at this nude color. Isn't that cute? This is the new light lacquer. I want to say it's Lila. Love it, by the way. Love it. So the next thing that we have in here is by Suture Beauty, and it's a 9mm 0.75 mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. Again, not full size, I don't think. Let's just take it out and look at it. This is not something I would, now I actually do need a new curling iron, but I think, yeah, this is going to be way too small. I don't know anybody that could curl their hair with that. Like, do you guys see that? Like, I mean, maybe my bangs. Like, if you have hair about as short as my bangs, like, yeah, maybe my bangs. Like, maybe I could just do my bangs with it. Like, oh my God, you guys, this is so bad. This is so bad. All right, so the next product actually looks promising. Okay, so this is the Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. Watch this be in a color that I can't use. Watch this be the only good product and it be a color that is like crazy. Are you guys ready? Oh, hold on. Oh no. Oh my God, it's their darkest color. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so bad. This is so bad. I literally think this is probably the worst Boxycharm box that I have ever received. Like, if you want to know what is the worst possible case scenario, this is it right here. And the last product is the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn palette. And haven't we received this already in a Boxycharm box? I am like positive that either A, I have this palette, or B, like I just sold it on Mercari because I decluttered it. Holy gosh. Yeah, it's the blush and highlighter palette. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys. So we have definitely received this palette before. It is a blush palette, and there's a matte blush, a shimmer blush, and then a highlight shade, which, as you can see, I have not used, and now I have 2 of them to not use. So this box, you guys, is comical at best. Like, it's a joke. I would not pay $25 for this box. I would not pay $10 for this box. I literally am not going to use, I think, anything in this box. My daughter might use the perfume, like, I don't know, maybe the fingernail polish. I just, for a makeup box, this is comical. And especially considering as long as I have been with Boxycharm and as many boxes as I have got from them, that's like, you guys would be mad if you got that box. I'm just saying, like, if you see these spoilers and then you got that box, like, if that's not a bait and switch, I don't know what is. I'm just saying. All right, so let me show you what I got in my premium box, because it is a whole lot better. And in this instance, I would say it is definitely worth it to upgrade, because I guess you get what you pay for. I mean, apparently. Now, this box, oh, there goes my mirror. So this box did come with a card, and the first product that I got is the Too Faced Natural Matte Neutral Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And this is a really pretty palette. I've actually already had this and decluttered it. So I will probably put this on my Mercari site and sell it, along with the Hourglass and a few other things. And I just dropped a little doodad there. But that is what the the palette looks like. I can't even talk, you guys. They threw me off in this video. Like, I was expecting something amazing. Like, even if I would have gotten one of the spoilers in that box, like, that would have been better. But that is what that palette looks like right there. Again, it's a neutral palette, and it's a matte palette. So if you like these kind of shades, they're very wearable, like work kind of thing, you would probably really enjoy this. Again, I decluttered it just because it wasn't something that I was using a lot of, because I don't particularly use a lot of matte shades all the time. Oh my God, like, things are just falling everywhere in the background, you guys. I'm sorry. Oh, okay, so the next product is the Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm, and that is what that looks like. And I know this retails for $12. So Sugar Rush is a sister brand of Tarte that they sell at Ulta, and I haven't actually tried any of their products yet, but their packaging is like super, super cute. And I always see like deals on their stuff, like 5 for $25 and things like that. So definitely keep an eye out on them if you do want to try them out. But that smells like sherbet ice cream. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. So anyways, I was happy to receive that. Obviously, I would probably rather received it in my base box, the $25 box, but nevertheless, the next product in here we have is the Kat Von D Inkwell Liner. And I will say that obviously, since this says Kat Von D on it, this is one of the line's older products, because they have rebranded, and it's now KVD, not Kat Von D. I think like the KVD stands for something vegan something, I don't know. But either way, this is one of the Inkwell liners, and this is in a really, really pretty blue color. I am happy to receive this, but these have been on sale for a long, long time. I think they're like, oh my God, and this isn't even working. Like, do you guys see that? How barely, I don't know, maybe it's just shake it up really good. So let's try it now. Hopefully it'll work a little better. I didn't shake it. Well, you know, that's just like really watery. Like, do you guys see that? Like, how watery? Like, I was expecting it to be like super pigmented, because most Kat Von D stuff is like really, really pigmented. All right, let's really, really shake it up. Get the little ball moving. All right, now let's try it. Third time's a charm. Oh, wow. Like, no, that's so watery. Do you see that? Like how watery that is? No, no. Now I will say there's way more pigment there, but that is like, I mean, it's just like, holy cow. Yeah, so I will say, yeah, no, this is a no-go, you guys. Like, this is so bad. Why is this so bad? This has been on sale for a while too, for like 10 bucks. So I don't know if that's just like expired, but like, do you see the little drips? I mean, like, it's so watery. Yeah, no, this is a no-go. I wouldn't even resell it on my Mercari site. Moving on. So the next product that we have is the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek, and it looks like this is in the color Astro, so that's what the outside packaging looks like. And this looks like it's just one of their little babies. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So I have a bunch of their like little babies here, and then this is what like their full size looks like. So full size baby, you see what I'm saying? Okay, so anyways, Milk makeup products just in general are kind of been hit or miss for me. Like some of them have been awesome, some of them not so much. So let's see what we're working with here. Okay, so this is definitely very sheer, as you guys can see right there. A little bit of tint, not a lot, but definitely a lot of like gloss, a lot of glow there. So as you guys can see, so I don't know how well this would work out on the cheeks, but you know, as like a lip oil or something, it might be really nice. So the next product that we have here is the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio, and this is in Holy Crop. And I actually love these little Smashbox trios just in general. They are awesome. I got another one in my Chic Beauty box, I think not last month, but the month before. So these little eyeshadow trios are awesome. I mean, just awesome, especially for travel, and they just work really well and they're super cute. So that's what the colors look like in Holy Crop. And I mean, it's basically just exactly what you need for a look. So you got your, you know, transition shade, darkening shade, blending shade, inner corner shade. I mean, like you could do so much with just this little palette. So I just really do love these, and I was happy that they did include that in the box. And then the last thing that we have here is by Baddington, and is this like, yeah, so this is by Baddington Lashes, but it's a brush set, and I am actually really interested to see how these work out. Oh, I was gonna say, hold on, did that not come? But it did. It just slid out. So we got two brushes here. It looks like they are really pretty. That like this one is really pretty heavy. So it says there's a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. So really excited. This must be the contour foundation brush, and that just feels really nice. So I am really excited to use this because I actually need a new like contour foundation brush, because I've been using, and I'm sorry, it's filthy, the Cream by Fenty Beauty in Butta Biscuit, and I absolutely love this for not just a contour, but also as a bronzer, and I need a new brush for it. So this, I'm excited to try out with that. And then you can never have too many powder brushes. So overall, I feel like obviously the premium box was a lot better than my base box this month by a long shot. Now there is a couple of things like the Kat Von D Inkwell liner. I feel like this has been sitting on Sephora's sales section forever now. And even after I shook it up, I mean, this formula is like really watered down and just separating, and just, I could tell that there's something wrong with it. Like it's just old, and it really needed to be probably thrown out, not put in a subscription box. So that's one thing. The other thing was like the Milk makeup. Like this is all right, but I do wish they would have put like one of their more full-size products in there, since this is, you know, a $35 box. I'm super excited to try out the Baddington brushes. Now the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette, I feel like we've seen this time and time again in Boxycharm. Like, is it just me? I just really feel like we keep seeing the Too Faced Natural line show up in Boxycharm and BoxyLuxe, you know, so I don't know if it's just me, but I mean, overall, is it worth $35? I guess that really depends on you and whether or not you're going to get $35 worth of products or $35 worth of use of the products out of the box. So for me, I feel like with the Smashbox and then like the Tarte and then the Baddington, yes, I'm going to get $35 use out of this. Now, my actual Boxycharm box, that is a whole nother story. That box was just terrible, you guys. I'm sorry, but you cannot tell me for 5 seconds that that box was not bad. Like, if you got that box after seeing the spoilers and you received that, you would not be upset, because you would. Let's be honest here, especially if you pay for your boxes. And that's like my whole thing with Boxycharm. It's like, you know, I get it that you want to sell your boxes and you want to have the PR people have good boxes, but I mean, you would not give your PR person that box. There's no way. You would not see Boxycharm posting that box on their Instagram, displaying it for everybody to see as if you may get that box. Like, they don't want you to know that you might receive that box. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, it's really sad, because Boxycharm used to be so good and I used to love them so much. And now I kind of feel like they're trying to make me quit their subscription, which may be possible. It may be possible. I don't know. And I know there's going to be somebody in the comment section and they're going to be like, I always get the main boxes and I always get the main spoilers. And all I got to say is, congrats, girl. You have won the Boxycharm lottery, because the rest of us don't get that lucky. I mean, I can't even tell you guys when the last time I got a main box or one of the main spoilers in a box. Like, it's been a long time, truthfully. Like, my glossy box was better, and my glossy box is cheaper, and I had more value to that box than I did my base box. So if that says anything, and you know, I just, it's a shame. And I really feel like if Boxycharm continues with this whole bait and switch thing, not trying to be the negative person here, but they're gonna end up with like a lawsuit, because people are gonna get upset, especially when they keep seeing these awesome spoilers on Instagram and keep seeing these amazing boxes, and that's what they're promoting, but they're not promoting and sending their PR people like actual real life boxes. I mean, there was no card even in that box. Like, I just, I don't know. Like, that's all I gotta say, you guys. Let me know down below, what do you all think about this whole thing? Because, yeah, I don't know. That's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, see ya.